smiling because he's got a soiled nappy.
I just assumed that was Rico.
Now,
Polsky, you and I will take the diaper detail. Rico, give us some protection. Private, see what you can find down below. Gentlemen, let's defuse this stink bomb.
Diaper bag secured.
Wipes, clean diaper, and powder. Wipes, clean diaper, and powder. Wipes, clean diaper, powder. I almost lost consciousness there for a minute.
Good work, T. Now let's get this tyke back to the zoo. Pronto. Commence operation. What is it, Rico? Talk to me, boy. Well, that's what I was about to say. We need to get back to the zoo. Operation Cradle and let's say your fancy unexpected detector now.
Nothing.
Hold on, man!
Let it out, buddy.
Rico!